This shit look clean though.
Father Duffy. Who the fuck is Father Duffy?
Once it changes back.
1540 Broadway.
Last month it was that, you see that color thing painting right there? That was it last month. So now this is the new one I have. Which one did you guys like better?
Right. Man, we're gonna kill me. Especially out the feds, make them put that pussy on them. Happy birthday. Hey, brother. We got two further girls in 30 seconds.
Hey!
Two further girls in 30 seconds. They're both turning 18.
Fucking right. Yeah. I'm on that shit. Yeah.